An Indian billionaire titan is shining in the shadows. This is the story of invisible strength, powering modern engineering and industrial capability shaped from a quiet office in Pune into a global engineering presence, woven in everyday life. While public narratives moved toward technology and consumer platforms, it spent 5 decades refining metallurgy, advancing precision forging, and strengthening industrial capability that operates at the core of complex machines. Today, forged components from his ecosystems travel into vehicles, aerospace programs, and heavy engineering platforms where durability is essential. The journey traces back to 1972 when a MIT-trained engineer returned to India and chose heavy engineering over emerging sectors. He stepped into Bharat Forge, founded in 1961, and began a deliberate, decades-long expansion of technical mastery. Strategic acquisitions across Europe and North America brought advanced manufacturing knowledge into Indian operations, aligning the organization with global engineering standards. Today, the Kalyani Group employs more than 14,000 people across multiple countries, with Bharat Forge reporting revenues exceeding 16,500 crore and a significant share of exports embedded within international supply chains. A further evolution extended this capability into strategic sectors. Aerospace manufacturing, advanced materials, defense production emerged as natural continuations of metallurgical expertise. Substantive private investment in research and infrastructure preceded major orders, reflecting a sustained industrial commitment rather than a short-term shift. Programs such as ATAGS, among the most advanced indigenous 155mm artillery platforms, illustrate how engineering developed for mobility can translate into systems designed for national security, with defense contracts worth over 4,000 crore reinforcing this direction. The organization at the center of this trajectory is Bharat Forge, part of the Kalyani Group. The individual associated with its transformation, Baba Kalyani, with a net worth estimated at $4.8 billion, global industrial influence, and a leadership style that remains measured. He represents a model in which engineering depth gradually becomes infrastructure, an infrastructure that supports and defends the country. When viewed through continuity, manufacturing's true influence becomes clear. It quietly powers the world you depend on. If you like this video, do consider following us. It helps immensely. Take care and all the best. Until more stories, thank you for watching Shravalogs.